OnePlus Nord Buds. It has a smooth ergonomic design with swappable silicone tips which fits easily in your ears for many hours of comfortable listening. For sound quality, there are big 12.4mm titanium-coated dynamic audio drivers for clean sound. They produce deep and rambling bass. They are combined with the built-in direct audio tuner software, so the clear and heavy audio sounds like a wow in your ears. For theater quality and atmospheric sound, Dolby Atmos technology is there in OnePlus Nord Buds. OnePlus Nord Buds audio level experience is enhanced with Master Equalizer, which has 3 precise and unique sound moves designed to enrich your audio experience. Number 1 is Bold, sharper pitch for brighter, smile-inducing sound. Number 2 is Serenade. Whether you are listening to your favorite rocker or mezzo-soprano, this mode's all about vocals. Number 3 is Bass, deep, pulsing bass for when you want to feel the groove. To keep the music flowing, Nord Buds battery life rocks. Enjoy up to 7 hours of audio playtime with OnePlus Nord Buds and 30 hours with the charging case. Or don't worry, if your buds start crashing, plug them in and charge up to an extra 5 hours listening time in just 10 minutes. Nord Buds uses AI noise reduction software with 4 microphones for exceptional, clear and crisp call quality to block out wind and background noise. With an IP55 rating, Nord Buds are sweat and water resistant to make sure the music keeps flowing when you get soggy. Tired of broken audio and dropped connections while you're gaming? Nord Buds have Bluetooth 5.2 and 94 ms low latency to make sure you have a winning audio experience when playing in pro gamer mode. Nord Buds comes in 2 colors, black slate and white marble. Hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.